Hi again, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And sorry, just checking my sound, make sure it's working. I'd be very, very careful what you are watching on YouTube, and even me. I mean, you don't know me. Take it with a grain of salt. But I try to be honest about what I say and avoid the hype. But yeah, some of the YouTubers that are quite famous, some of their statements about hosting on Airbnb, just very difficult to believe. I just watched a video today. I don't want to say who, but you can probably find out who it is if you watch Airbnb videos, videos about hosting on Airbnb. And he claimed that, anyone can make $10,000 a month, even if you're hosting in the countryside, even if you're out of the way, which, to be honest, I don't think it's true. You can make money in the countryside, but you're probably, it depends on where you are, but you might be looking at $400 a month or something like that. Let's not kid ourselves. Let's not be silly about what we believe. I don't think Airbnb is get rich quick unless you already have a lot of money and can afford to buy many places, or if you can convince a lot of landlords to rent to you, that might be an option. But I think it's difficult. I'm a landlord myself, and I'll do my own Airbnb, but I'm not sure I want anyone else handling it in my apartment or house. I know how things are going because I check all the time, but I think very few landlords would want you to do Airbnb in their house or apartment, because there's just increased wear and tear, there's more danger of fire, all those things. This YouTuber even claimed that you get free rent. Just ask the landlord and you can get free rent. I was laughing as I watched because, how many landlords are going to give you free rent and you're going to do Airbnb in their house or apartment? So just hype city. So I don't know. I would be really careful, even if the video is very, very slick. Maybe my videos aren't very slick, but I'm honest, I think. So we've done well, but we're not making $10,000 a month on any of our listings. We're not in a prime tourist area, but in spite of not being in a prime tourist area, in spite of being in the countryside, we're doing very well. What will we make? I don't know. A typical month might be $3,000, and then a good month might be almost $10,000. And we're not in a big city, so you definitely can make money. And I would check out the Airbnb check out the Airbnb calculator at their website, because it's very accurate. You can accurately tell what you would potentially make. Yeah, their calculator is very good. Just enter your address and check it out, and avoid the hype. Yeah, avoid the hype. Watch good quality videos of people who actually host, not people who pretend to host. So, end of my polite rant. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there. Watch good quality videos. Thank you.